Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. Okay, so this is your August love reading. Okay, so syempre, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, pagpasensyahan na ang aking boses dahil I'm not feeling well. Yes. Okay, pagpasensyahan na kung ganito. Kung dati mahina, mas mahina ngayon. Yes, okay, Libra. Let's see your current situation. Okay? Anong meron? Libra placements. Yan. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang situation? Current. Okay, the Six of Swords. Masyadong marami ako nakukuha. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. This is like hot and cold. Pero mas madalas yung yung cold, yung coldness. Something is not working out. Something is not going anywhere. Like, walang pinatutunguhan na yung sitwasyon kung ano mang meron. Some of you kasi, sabihin natin someone is open yung option. Okay? Sandali lang po ha. Inom lang ang kauntian. Sandali lamang. Okay. So, something is not working out. Yes. Pero yung isa, gustong i-workout. Yung isa, wala. Hindi nagtatagpo, hindi nagtutugma yung energy nyo, Libra. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano bang meron sa taong to. Ano bang meron sa kanya, Libra? Okay, the Five of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles. This person wants attention. Yeah. So, kaya pala. So, itong taong ito, masayang-masaya to every time nakakakuha siya ng compliment, nakakakuha siya ng attention from other people. Okay? So, kahit magka-connect kayo ng taong yan, Libra, hanggat may nakukuha siyang attention from other people, go yun. Welcome yun. Okay? So, ang nagiging resulta, ng connection ninyo is parang hindi niya kaya mag-focus sa'yo. Okay? Hindi niya kaya mag-focus. Para itong lagi ka lang manghihingi sa kanya ng attention. Parang lagi ka lang manghihingi sa kanya ng commitments. Parang ganon. Okay? So, pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, they're a non-committal. The Nine of Pentacles. The non-committal. Non-committal, pero I think itong taong ito, kahit nasa Nine of Pentacles na energy siya, parang yung mga tao lang na nagbibigay ng attention sa kanya ang nagbo-boost, ng ego or kung ano man yung nararamdaman niya sa sarili niya. Okay? Pag yan nawalan ng someone na nagbibigay ng attention sa kanya, dyan siya magiging kawawa eh. Sa totoo lang, dyan siya magiging kawawa. Okay? Nabuboost lang yung pride niyan, yung confidence niyan. Nabuboost lang because of the people surrounding them. Okay? Isa ka na dun. Yeah, isa ka na dun, Libra. Okay, sa kinukuhaan ng energy ng taong yan, it's like they're like an energy vampire. Kung sino man to, energy vampire to. Sino man yan. Okay? Ang lakas makadrain nito, Libra. Hindi imposible, na yung iba sa inyo, feeling drain na. Drain na, financially, emotionally, mentally. physically drained. Ano emotion nito towards you, Libra? Let's see. What is their emotion? The Hierophant and the Lovers. Yeah, nandyan siya. Yeah. Nandyan siya for you. Pero always may 10 of swords. Okay, andito lagi yan. Andito yung issue. Nasa taas. Nandyan siya for you. Pero, may ganito, the 10 of swords. What's this? This is backstabbing. Kayo, ng taong to, pero parang hindi. Kasi hindi niya kaya mag-focus sa'yo. This is commitments, actually. Okay? This is commitments. This is, sabihin natin, a strong connection. Okay? Pero ang nakuha ko dito, parang kailangan niya lang eh. Yeah. The Lovers, for me, mas maganda pa ko sana kung 2 of Cups to. That is emotions. Okay? Not the Lovers. The Lovers is physical. Okay? So, I think, itong taong to is committed lang sa'yo physically. Pero, emosyon, malayo. Malayo. Okay? Kung makikita nyo, may gap. Diba? May gap. See? Ayun ang pagkakaiba ng Lovers at ng 2 of Cups. Okay? Yung 2 of Cups, kung makikita nyo, nag-aabutan nyo ng kamay. Pero ito hindi, may gap. Okay? Someone is, sabihin nating, pwedeng ikaw, Libra, ang tingin mo sa taong to is, siya na yung for you. Pero kung makikita mo, yung isa, itong person mo, is sa'yo lang nakatingin. Physical mo. Makikita nyo. Itong babae, so, wag natin tingnan sa gender, Yung isa sa inyo nakatingin sa divine. Pero yung mata nung isa, sa kanya lang, sa physical. Okay? The benefits. The benefits. Okay? Alam niya na meron siyang makukuhang maganda sa connection yun na to actually. Kaya, I think, parang pinipili na lang din ang taong ito na magstay pero puro pang backstab or draining na yung sitwasyon. So it's not working out kaya ganyan. Tingnan natin ano bang next action nyo towards you. See, the 8 of Cups. Distancing. Walking away. Why? The Ace of Pentacles. Kapag wala ka nang maibigay sa taong to, aalis at aalis. And wala rin naman siya talagang ibibigay sa sitwasyon. Hindi siya balanse. Okay, pagdating sa'yo, yeah. The Chariot in reverse, it's not going anywhere. Excuse me. They are non-committal, so hindi na nakakagulat to. Okay? So, anong outcome? / advice for Libra. Yeah, see, the Ace of Cups in reverse. So, don't settle for less. Don't accept kung ano man yung sabihin natin wag mo nang panghinayangan itong connection na to kasi some of you are still fixing it. Okay, trying na i-balance yung sitwasyon para sabihin nating magpatuloy pa. Okay, you're Libra. Si Libra is siya yung scale pagdating sa tarot, pagdating sa zodiac, siya yung may scale. Nasa kanya yung balance. So every time na nasa relasyon yung Libra, kung anong gusto ng isa, doon din siya Pero sometimes, hindi lahat hindi lahat. Siyempre, may magsasabi, hindi naman po ako ganon. Oo, hindi ko sinabing lahat. Pero, mostly. Okay, ang mga Libra na nakuha ko, iba sa inyo. Kung anong gusto ng kapartner mo, susunod ka lang. Para maging balanse yung sitwasyon. I don't know, some of you, kunyari, ang gusto niya itong ganitong pagkain, gugustuhin mo rin yon kahit hindi mo gusto. Taas kamay. Taas ang kamay. Lalo na kung Libra moon ka. Yes. Babalanse at babalanse ka dun sa tao. Kahit ayaw mo. Okay? Days of Cups Universe. So, may panghihinayang dito. May mga nasasayang. May mga natatapon. The Ten of Cups Universe. Judgment. It's time for you na mag-decide na. Okay? Wala naman ito patutunguhan actually. Magkasama nga kayo, pero emotionally, may distansya na. Okay po? So, nasasayang. Kung kaya mong magtiis, kung kaya mong bumalanse sa gustong balanse ng taong yan, go! It's up to you. Diba? Pero, walang self-love. Kaya nakabaliktad. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for Libra. Okay. Aries through Pisces. For Libra. Okay. Aries. So, they're being patient. Some of you, they're waiting. Taurus. They're avoiding you. Being indecisive. Gemini. So, I think some of them, wala na yung attraction or wala ako nakikitang growth dito with them. Cancer, they're attracted. Pagdating sa'yo, they want sex. They want a new beginning with you, some of them. Leo. Okay, so some of them, they're manipulating you. Yeah. Virgo. So, may chance na gumawa ng decision or sabihin nating action itong si Virgo pagdating sa'yo. Libra. Okay. Like putting all the weights sa shoulder. It's a burden. Okay. Scorpio, they miss you. They're important. You're important for them, actually. Sagittarius, they're being silent. Okay, pero they want to take action. They want to say things na sabihin nating totoo. Capricorn, they're attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Aquarius, they're trying to avoid you. Trying to block you. Some of them. Pisces. Okay, so si Pisces, parang gusto nang may malaman para hindi na siya isip ng isip pagdating sa'yo or vice versa. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Libra placements. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.